We are broken up, but still living together. What should I do? Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Cormont and I'm your relationship expert. In today's video, I really want to help you to understand what to do when you're still living together, but you're still broken up. I know it's a really tough situation. Why? Because you still love your ex. Because you still want him or her back in your life. And by living together, you're having a lot of questions. What do you say to your ex? How can you react? How can you act? What should you do? A lot of questions in your mind. And today, I want to clear every single question. We have 3 rules when you're still living with your ex and you're still broken up. Rule number 1, your ex is now your friend or a roommate. It's either your choice. It could be a friend or a roommate. Why? Because at this moment, you will be able to answer this question. How can I talk to my ex? How can I react? Should I still cook for myself and my ex or not? You know, all of these questions, you should consider your ex as a friend, as a roommate. Okay? You should consider your ex as a friend, as a roommate. And this is where you will be able to maintain the connection. This is where you will be able to maintain the communication without being needy, without having a lot of fears in your mind. So basically what I want to tell you is you have a good opportunity because you live together to show exactly that you have changed and that you can control your emotions. So tip number 1, you need to consider your ex as your best friend or as your roommate and not asking too much question about yourself. Should I cook? Should I not cook? Do everything that you would do to a friend. Okay? Tips number 2. If you want to get back with the one you love and you're still living together, your ex will look at your personal life. So you need to understand it's really important. You're living together, but you can have time for yourself. You can have time for your personal life. And if you have kids or if it's difficult, wake up early. Wake up early, get out of your house, go for a run, come back, meditate, do yoga, show that now you're changing your routine. Specifically in the morning, at night, whenever you want. But what I mean by that is every people that I've coached so far, when you're living together, your schedule is based on your ex schedule, which is not good for us. We want to change this situation. We want to make sure that you will talk to your ex as it's a good friend, and that's it. Then we will look at your specific life. If we can change your habits, if you can change your routine, if we can make sure that your life will never be the same, your personal life, this will resonate to your ex. Tips number 3, you should always organize things at home. For example, you can invite some friends. You can create something that I've worked a lot with a lot of my clients. If you do a Mexican party, you will create tacos, put Mexican music, invite your friends at home. That will rebuild the attraction. You can spend an amazing moment. You can do a karaoke at home. This karaoke or Mexican night can help you to rebuild the attraction. So, I know it's not easy because you're seeing each other every day. You have a lot of love for your ex. But living together, it's a good opportunity for us. Even if you're broken up, even if your ex is still stubborn, even if your ex doesn't want to spend time with you, just enjoy your life. Create some moments at home with your friends, with new people that you will meet, and show your ex that your life will never be the same. If you can do it, I can guarantee you the communication will be different. The attraction will be different. Your situation will be different. Your ex will consider the way that you have changed an opportunity to rebuild the love and to rebuild the relationship. But you need to take your time. You cannot be needy. You cannot be chasing your ex. You need to control your emotions. You cannot cry. You cannot show some sadness. You always have to smile, standing upright, smiling, having a good tone of voice, going for a run, having new activities. if you can rebuild your life and you're still living together, your ex is in front of you. So I know today you're suffering from this situation, but we can make the difference and we can show your ex that you have changed, which is really important for us. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section below and I will be here to answer your question. Give me a like and please subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel, Love Advice TV. It's a bunch of relationship experts. There is Coach Abby, Coach Adrian, Coach Natalie, and myself. We are here for you. We are here and we dedicated our life to helping you. So I know it's not easy because you've broken up and you're still living together, but remind you, we can change this situation together. I will see you soon for a new video. Bye bye guys.